am worthy of deep, genuine, unconditional love. And today, I allow that love to rise gently within me. I breathe in acceptance, and I breathe out every old doubt that once made me question my worth. I open my heart to myself. I choose to embrace who I am, who I've been, and who I am becoming. I release the pressure to be perfect, and I honor myself exactly as I am in this moment. I belong here. I matter. I am deserving of every good thing that life has to offer. I walk through this day knowing that I am enough. I do not need to be more, do more, or prove more. My existence alone is valuable. My presence makes a difference. I recognize the beauty in my mind, my heart, my spirit, and my body. I treat myself with compassion because I know I deserve kindness, softness, and care. Every mistake I've made was a lesson. Every moment of pain shaped me into someone stronger. I no longer blame myself for what I didn't know then. I am proud of who I am today. I choose thoughts that lift me higher. I speak to myself with love. I let go of negative stories that were never mine to carry. I rewrite the narrative of my life with power and confidence. I am growing every day. I forgive myself for shrinking in places where I should have stood tall. I celebrate the fact that I am still here, still rising, still learning, still loving. I honor my journey, even the parts that were confusing, difficult, or painful. Everything led me to this moment of awakening, this moment of self-love. I trust myself. I trust my intuition. I trust my decisions. I trust that I am capable of creating the life I desire. I listen to the quiet wisdom within me that guides me forward. I no longer doubt my ability to succeed, to grow, and to thrive. I believe in myself wholeheartedly. I believe in my dreams. I believe in my purpose. I rise above fear and step boldly into the future that is waiting for me. I choose peace over pressure. I choose self-love over self-criticism. I choose healing over holding on to things that hurt me. I release emotional burdens that are too heavy to carry. I make space in my heart for joy, for hope, for calm, and for renewed strength. I welcome new beginnings with an open heart. I am not afraid to grow. I am not afraid to change. I am not afraid to become the version of myself that I dream of being. I release the old version of myself that lived in survival mode. I step into a season of thriving. I choose healing. I choose love. I choose self-belief. I choose a life that reflects my true worth. I nourish my mind with positive thoughts. I nourish my body with appreciation. I nourish my spirit with faith. I treat myself with love because I deserve nothing less. I am becoming softer, stronger, wiser, and more grounded each day. I trust that everything working in my life is supporting my growth. I trust that what is meant for me will find me. I trust that I am exactly where I need to be. I wake up each day grateful for the gift of life. I am proud of the person I am becoming. I look in the mirror and see someone worthy of respect, someone deserving of love, someone capable of greatness. I love the person in the mirror. I uplift that person with kind words. I support that person with every decision I make. I refuse to abandon myself. I am my own safe space. I am my own best friend. I am my own source of strength. I release expectations that weigh me down. I let go of the fear of disappointing others. I no longer live to be chosen. I choose myself. I no longer chase approval. I approve of myself. I no longer seek validation. I validate my own feelings, my own dreams, and my own path. I no longer fear rejection. I know that nothing meant for me will ever pass me by. I embrace the freedom that comes with loving myself. My future is bright. My heart is open. My soul is aligned. I am walking into a season of self-discovery, self-celebration, and deep inner love. I deserve softness. I deserve grace. I deserve second chances. I grant myself permission to evolve. I'm always learning. I'm always growing. I'm always rising. I see myself clearly now. I see my value. I see my potential. I see the light within me, and I allow it to guide me. I am becoming more confident with every breath I take. I am becoming more peaceful with every step I make. I am becoming more aligned with every choice I embrace. I am worthy of love, not because of what I do, but because of who I am. I choose to give myself the love I once begged others for. I choose to treat myself with tenderness. I choose to honor my mind, my heart, my body, and my spirit. I am whole. I am complete. I am evolving beautifully. My self-love is unshakable. My self-worth is undeniable. And each day, I rise into a stronger, more loving, more confident version of myself. I am love. I am light. I am enough. And I always will be. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.